Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you guys through the process of changing your Snapchat password. So in case you've forgotten the password, you can always just sign out of your account and select the option to you forgot your password. Enter in your email address or phone number linked to your account. It would send you a recovery link. However, if you're already signed into your account, you can change your Snapchat password. So a little bit of a different tutorial like I'm going to be showing right now. And that would just entail selecting your user profile up at the top and then selecting account settings. You would go down and select change my password. And then at this point, you enter in your current password and then the new password and then confirming the new password. Again, this method is assuming you didn't lose your password, which is what I discussed in the beginning. Just would go ahead and select forgot your password on the login screen, and then it would reset back to your email, and then you would be able to sign back in basically. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.